Here we're at the Exact stand, known for their rotary tables. Now here, you've got a 4-axis rotary table, but we're filming this because they've gone the next level in terms of Industry 4.0. There's a monitoring chip in here, which will give you ultimately readings of temperature, speed, rigidity, things like that. So providing preventative maintenance if something is going wrong, and also identifying when you need to service these rotary tables. You know, keep it simple, like a car service. So moving around the actual stand, you've got your standard sort of 4-axis tables here, but you can fit this, well, you can buy these products with the monitoring, and here's a monitoring system there, which probably doesn't mean much to anybody, but it'll give you a load of different information for your rotary tables, and they've gone the next level. So you're thinking your 3+2, your 4+1 table, so your 5-axis machining as an example. Here, you've got your 5-axis, so let me get this right. You've got your C-axis here, and then your A-axis just there. They've gone the next stage though. Here is actually B-axis. So this is giving a swing of plus and minus 120, so to add flexibility to your machining.